How to fix attempted relative import in non-package even with _init_.py. I'm trying to follow PEP 328, with the following directory structure. In core_test.py I have the following import statement. However, when I run, I get the following error. Searching around I found relative path not working even with _init_.py and import a module from a relative path, but they didn't help. Is there anything I'm missing here?
Yes. You're not using it as a package.
To elaborate on Ignacio Vasquez Abrams's answer, the Python import mechanism works relative to the _name_ of the current file. When you execute a file directly, it doesn't have its usual name, but has _main_ as its name instead. So relative imports don't work. You can, as Ignacio suggested, execute it using the M option. If you have a part of your package that is meant to be run as a script, you can also use the _package_ attribute to tell that file what name it's supposed to have in the package hierarchy. See this URL for details.
It depends on how you want to launch your script. If you want to launch your init from the command line in a classic way, that is. Then, since in this case components and tests are siblings folders, you can import the relative module either using the insert or the append method of the sys.path module. Something like. Otherwise, you can launch your script with the M argument. Note that in this case, we are talking about a package, and thus you must not give the .py extension, that is. In such a case, you can simply use the relative import as you were doing. You can finally mix the two approaches, so that your script will work no matter how it is called. For example,
you can use import components.core directly if you append the current directory to sys.path.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.